society's a myth, put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
New 2024 Lincoln Navigator, official price, release date and big changes. New 2024 Lincoln Navigator, official price, release date and big changes. If you are looking for the latest updates about the 2024 Lincoln Navigator, you've come to the right place. This article will discuss the car's features, specs, and release date. You'll learn about the new Lincoln Navigator and its price. Let's take a closer look at each car's outlook. We'll also look at its price and release date. Hopefully, you'll be able to make an informed decision based on the information in this article. 2024 Lincoln Navigator Outlook. The 2020 to 2024 Lincoln Navigator outlook may be a bit cloudy, but it is still good news for the car maker. The car is likely to receive a full redesign. Lincoln may introduce the redesigned Navigator in 2024, but it may be delayed by a year or two to accommodate the new electric and gasoline-electric models. Also, the Lincoln Navigator could be the last one on the line. Country price. Price in USA, starting around $85,000. Price in Canada, $109,255. Price in the UK, between $85,965 to $99,965. Price in Australia, approximate $175,000. Price in Saudi Arabia, SAR 421,935 422,000. Price in Pakistan, Rs 23,346,400. The Navigator was once a strong competitor to the Cadillac Escalade, but that car has long since been eclipsed by the Escalade. The Navigator's mid-century styling, with premium materials and a semi-retro look, should be carried over to the new Navigator. It should be a bold and beautiful vehicle with a sophisticated look. The interior should be equally classy and stylish. If it is, then it can have a fully glazed roof and smart glass instead of glass. 2024 Lincoln Navigator price. Although it may seem like an impossible dream, you can start saving now for your new 2024 Lincoln Navigator, which will likely cost nearly $71,635 to $109,680, when it goes on sale in 2024. The Lincoln has become one of Navigator's most popular models, with crossovers selling more than the Countach supercar in the first 3 months of 2017. The company has not revealed official details about the new model, but we can expect a single level of specification for the new SUV. Customers can also create the interior of their dream SUV by selecting the materials and customization options they want. The new Lincoln Navigator will have a twin-turbo V6 engine, which produces 641 horsepower. It is also fitted with an 8-speed automatic transmission, with manual shifting available for manual drivers. The 2024 Lincoln Navigator's torque limit is 627 pounds, which means it will be a powerful vehicle. The fuel economy will be excellent, with an estimated 12/17 mpg. 2024 Lincoln Navigator release date. The upcoming Lamborghini Urus is set to make its debut in 2023 and will be updated by the manufacturer. The car's updated styling and powertrain will make it more powerful than ever before. The 2024 model will get a hybrid powertrain. There is no word on how many Navigator models will be built, but we can expect a total of 4. The Urus will be available in various trim levels and will be priced accordingly. Several sources have alleged that hybrid models will arrive next year. Amid the rumors of a hybridized Urus, Winkleman has confirmed that the new supercar will be faster than the current Aventador. It is also said that the Navigator will get an updated engine with a bigger capacity and a lighter weight. There are also reports of a plug-in hybrid version, likely to be a hybrid. Features and specs. Many rumors are floating around about the 2024 Lincoln Navigator, but not much has been confirmed. The car's engine is not expected to change much, and some reports suggest that the car will still use the same V6 twin-turbo engine as its current model. The current Navigator can tow up to 8.700 pounds, but a new engine is likely to deliver more power and torque. Hybrid and electric models are also possible, but there's no official word on them. Brand: Lincoln. Model: 2024 Lincoln Navigator. Price: USA $85,000. Release date: 2024. Engine: engineered alongside the F-150, the Navigator inherits much of the truck's capability and uses a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 tune to produce 450. The next model year, 2025, will bring several minor changes to the model lineup. The 2024 Navigator will be the first to use hands-free driver assist technology from Ford Motor Co., the Sync 4 infotainment system, and new Black Label themes. Other exterior changes include new headlamps and a grille. The new Navigator will also undergo a comprehensive redesign for 2023. The 2024 Lincoln Navigator is going to hit the market, so car lovers keep checking the updates on our website.
This is A, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers. Gotta struggle through the sewer.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it